title is
The Goose Girl.
Before we start, let us introduce ourselves.
Hello everyone, my name is Rizka as the first voice actor.
Hello everyone, my name is Almira as the second voice actor.
Hello everyone, my name is Salsabila Putri as the third voice actor.
Hello everyone, my name is Talita as the fourth voice actor.
Hello everyone, I'm Jayan, the second last voice actor.
Hello everyone, my name is Tristan as the last of the voice actor.
In the kingdom of Altenburg, Princess Alice lived under strict rules. Every morning, she had to sit on a golden chair, study etiquette, and then put on a grand gown to attend banquets. But at night, she secretly slipped out through the back garden of the place. In the village, she played with peasant children and fed the geese. Alice whispering to the geese, "You are more heinous than the nobles in the place. You don't care who I am, you only care whether I bring food or not."
One day, the king summoned her to the palace hall. "Alice, it's time for you to marry Prince Wilhelm from the neighbor kingdom. This is to strengthen the bond between the two realms."
Alice softly, "Father, I'm not sure I want to be a queen." King firmly, "This is your duty as the princess of Altenburg." Alice only nodded, but her heart rebelled. A journey that changed destiny, Alice set out with a loyal maid named Martha. The long journey made Martha weary. Martha complaining, "My lady, my feet are almost broken. Why must we travel so far just to marry a prince you never even met?"
Alice gazing at the sky. "Martha, I don't want to marry anyone. I want to live freely, herding geese like in the village."
Alice smiling, "Let him be angry. I cannot keep living in a golden cage. I want to try the outside world." In the end, Martha agreed. They exchanged clothes, and Alice gave Martha the royal ring. That night, Alice sat by the river deep in thought. "Alice, Martha, take my identity. Say that you are Princess Alice. I will stay here and start a new life." Martha shocked. "What? That's impossible. What if the king becomes furious?" The princess will become a shepherd. When they arrived at the neighboring kingdom, Martha was introduced as the Princess of Altenburg. At first, she was nervous, but gradually she adapted and began to rule wisely.
Meanwhile, Alice worked as a goose girl in the meadow. She enjoyed the fresh air, the laughter of the village children, and the simplicity of life. "Village child, you look like a princess, Alice. But why are you herding geese?" Alice laughing, "Because geese don't care who I am, and here I can be myself." The truth revealed months later. King Altenburg heard rumors that his daughter was herding geese in a village. He secretly came to see for himself.
Alice looking at the king. "The kingdom will be fine with Martha. She rules wisely. I will visit the palace if you miss me, but let me live here." At last, the king nodded. King shocked. "Alice, what are you doing here?" Alice smiling gently. "Father, I have found my work here. I am happy." King softly. "The kingdom needs you, king." "Very well, Alice. If this is what makes you happy, I will not force you." A peaceful ending. From that day on, Alice officially lived in the village and is known as the Wise Goose Girl. Martha, now queen, ruled the kingdom with justice. Sometimes, Alice was invited to the palace, not as a princess, but as an honored guest. Respect for her courage to choose her own path in life.
Alice watching the geese in the field. Not every princess wants to be a queen. Sometimes being a goose girl is the best destiny. The moral lesson of the story is happiness does not always mean living in a palace or holding a power. Sometimes the freedom to choose one's own life path is the most precious treasure.
Maybe that's all from us. Thank you for attention. Bye-bye.